Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's a son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
The beautiful twin islands of Trinidad and Tobago, where the sea wind and the sea breeze is the nicest on the planet. Trinidad and Tobago, a twin island nation in the Caribbean, known for its pristine beaches now, vibrant culture, and the birthplace of the big bad steel pan. And don't forget calypso music. But behind all the facade of the tropical paradise are one of the wickedest places on earth. In recent years, Trinidad has seen a surge in gang violence from when the youth there, what him name, I can't remember him name, Squash, I remember him name now, and one heap of gang related murders, and it has shocked the nation of Trinidad and shocked the world. You see a lot of bloggers, and you see Trinidad Prime Minister flew out to the US to meet the CIA. That happened last year. The situation has become increasingly challenging, and the gang activity has spread from specific hotspots to many areas across the island, especially the Six Gang, cause we know the Six Gang, them spread like roaches, straight up. Now, many of the young people in Trinidad, they're being lured into these gangs because of poverty, just like Jamaica, just like St. Lucia. The lack of opportunity and the allure of quick money and the allure of belonging to a family. And that is what driving most of the young youth them to connect to the 6 and the 7. Now, you have areas like Lavante. It has become synonymous to gang activity. You have Ushbar, Presiliv, Beatam. All of them places has become like a gang central. But the problem is not confined to any one place in Trinidad, and it's all over Trinidad.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You see, Trinidad have to implement new strategy to combat that issue there. And they need increased police presence, and this go for St. Lucia, Jamaica. But it seems like Jamaica has been doing their job. Now, they need things like community outreach program and all them things there. And believe it or not, stricter penalty for the gang them need the death penalty to come back. You understand? The key to overcome the gang is education. We need to show the youths them that there is alternative to gang lifestyle, and make them understand that. We have to show them, say, listen, you have potential, you understand, and you can achieve anything you want to achieve beyond your wildest dream. Your surrounding is not just situated to where you're at. I was talking to a friend of mine in St. Lucia today, and that's what I told him. He said that he has never left St. Lucia. Dude, fly out. You understand? It's not just your surrounding, dog. It's the world. This Me I talk to the people of Trinidad. Them face a challenge, and it's a very challenging road ahead for them. But if the community, cause believe me, police can't stop the violence, government can't stop the violence, the community have to rise up along with government action. And believe it or not, we are some small islands. We need international support in these islands. You understand? And maybe that might be a brighter day. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.